welcome back. Today we're doing something a little bit different, something I've been keeping an eye on for a little while and thinking about it. It's been pretty viral online and it is the Kmart Bin Hack. So turning a laundry hamper into a bin. So my kids and I are going to give this a go today and hopefully it really tidies up a space at home. Okay, so I thought I was recording when I unboxed and got it all started, but I wasn't. So we're starting at about step 2 here. Can I just say this was a little bit more fiddly than I expected it to be, but it was not difficult at all. So as long as you follow the instructions and just take it slow and go step by step, it is quite straightforward. It's just got quite a lot of steps. But it comes together really easily, just making sure that you use all the pegs and everything in the right place and screw it firmly but not so tightly that it cracks or causes any damage, because after all it is just chipboard and it doesn't take a lot of wear and tear. But I think if you build it following the instructions carefully, then it should last a while at least anyway. Right, once it's done, you're going to turn it into a bin. So these are the bins that are recommended to fit in these spaces. Just pop your plastic bag inside. Obviously, you're not using the lid. And there you have it. Recycling and general waste tucked away, nice and tidy, and nobody would be any wiser.